Now imagine a different kind of hustle where you don't manage people's accounts. You sell physical products without handling inventory or shipping. Dropshipping 2.0, the 2025 playbook. Forget everything you've heard about dropshipping. The game has fundamentally changed since those early, get-rich-quick days. In 2025, successful dropshippers follow completely different rules than what worked 5 years ago. The outdated advice still circulating online, like selling generic products or relying solely on Facebook ads, now leads to instant failure. Modern dropshipping thrives on micro-niches. Instead of selling regular phone cases, you'd target left-handed archers who need special grip cases. Specific beats general every time now. These tight niches see 35 to 50% profit margins compared to the 10 to 15% from broad products. For example, one seller makes $8,000 per month exclusively selling glow-in-the-dark dog collars to night runners, a niche that combines safety and convenience for pet owners who jog after dark. Another clears $12,000 monthly with customized fishing gear for kayak anglers, catering to a passionate community with unique needs. These examples show how focusing on a small, dedicated audience can yield significant returns. Finding these opportunities requires the right tools. Instead of guessing, leverage data from these resources. 1. Asteroid lets you see AliExpress products actually selling right now. 2. Thieves shows trending designs before they go mainstream. 3. eCommerce tracks newly viral products hourly. 4. Google Trends confirms lasting demand beyond temporary fads. 5. TikTok's Creative Center reveals booming product categories. Now let's see a step-by-step blueprint for testing products with minimal risk. The 3-day store method. Here's how it works. Day 1. Set up a single product store using Shopify's free trial. Day 2. Run $20 in targeted TikTok ads to a small test audience. Day 3. Analyze results. 10 plus sales means scale up, under 10 means pivot. This approach prevents wasting months and thousands on doomed products. One beginner tested 7 products in 3 weeks before finding their winner, which led to a $3,900 profit month. By focusing on quick, low-cost tests, you can identify winning products without overcommitting. Platform choices are critical to success. Shopify remains solid for branded stores, but TikTok Shop excels for impulse purchases. Etsy outperforms for handmade-style goods, while Amazon offers renewed dropshipping opportunities through their Seller-Fulfilled Prime program. Sellers who operate across multiple platforms report 62% higher profits than those who stick to just one. Automation tools streamline operations, allowing you to focus on growth. 1. AutoDS syncs inventory and prices automatically. 2. Zapier connects your store to email and social media platforms. 3. Sonio automates 90% of customer service inquiries. 4. Vico streamlines order fulfillment across suppliers. 5. Gorgias centralizes all communications in one dashboard. With these systems in place, stores require just 5 weekly maintenance hours. Orders flow in while you focus on optimizing rather than operating. The most successful dropshippers treat it like a marketing business rather than a product business. Their real skill lies in positioning and advertising. The 2025 product selection checklist ensures you pick winners. 1. Solves a clear problem or fulfills an emotional desire. 2. Retails between $25 to $75 for the highest conversion rates. 3. Has visual appeal that stops thumbs on social feeds. 4. Isn't available at big box retailers. 5. Gets 500 plus monthly searches, showing consistent demand. 6. Lightweight with under 2 pounds shipping weight and multiple suppliers for redundancy. 7. Avoids electrical components that increase returns. By combining supplier redundancy and lightweight shipping into one guideline, you ensure reliability and cost efficiency without overcomplicating your criteria. Testing remains the most crucial step. Allocate $100 to $200 monthly to test 3 to 5 new products continuously. The top sellers always have new products in their testing pipeline. When one slows down, another takes its place. This approach builds multiple income streams rather than relying on one hit product. Marketing strategies have evolved in 2025. Facebook ads still work, but require triple the budget compared to 2020. TikTok ads convert better for visual products under $50, while Google shopping ads dominate for informational searches. The savviest sellers combine organic TikTok content with targeted ads, posting 3 to 5 authentic videos daily that showcase products in use. This blend of organic and paid strategies maximizes reach and engagement. Customer experience is the key to turning one-time buyers into repeat customers. Include handwritten thank you notes, offer surprise freebies with orders, and create simple instructional videos for product use. These small touches generate word-of-mouth referrals and 5-star reviews, fueling organic growth. Legal protections prevent headaches down the line. 1. Form an LLC to separate personal and business assets. 2. Write clear return policies up front. 3. Vet suppliers through video calls when possible. 4. Use payment processors like PayPal for buyer protection. 5. Avoid making claims products can't legally fulfill, such as health benefits. The financial model works when managed properly. After product costs and ads, aim for a 30% net profit. Scale by reinvesting profits into more ad spend and testing new products. Many part-time sellers reach $5,000 per month within 6 months by following this exact playbook. Seasonal adjustments keep income steady. Summer products like portable fans differ from winter winners like heated gloves. Plan inventory 3 months ahead. The best sellers stock inventory for upcoming holidays in their niches well in advance. Common beginner mistakes to avoid. 1. Choosing products based on personal preference instead of data. 2. Spending too much on branding before proving demand. 3. Running ads to broad audiences instead of tight interest groups. 4. Not setting up proper tracking from day one. 5. Scaling winners too quickly before verifying supplier reliability. The best part, everything you learn transfers to other e-commerce models. Product research skills apply to Amazon FBA. Ad experience works for any digital marketing. Customer service systems benefit all online businesses. Each store becomes a crash course in digital entrepreneurship.